Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove or hide bullet points in RemNote. So let's get straight into it. Now what you are going to do is basically highlight the bullet points you want to modify. So let's go right here into this one. Now what you are going to do is Control and /. It will open up this Omni how it's exactly called, omnibar. Now what you are going to do is type in here hide bullet. It shows me here list, just like that. Click on it and then you will see it will be gone. So if I do this on this H2O bullet list, just like that, and as you can see, now these dots are not visible anymore here. So yeah, this is how you remove bullet points in RemNote. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next